guess what? I just realized it is Friday the 13th. I was going to say, hey, it's Friday, July the 13th. I'm like, wow, it's Friday the 13th. Guess if you're superstitious, I'm hoping not. Anyhow, man, welcome to the vlog. If you are joining for the first time, please consider hitting that subscribe button and help a small YouTuber out grow his channel, because all I'm trying to do is provide great content about cars and life. Anyhow, we are on the road just outside of Montgomery, Alabama right now, on our way to Bowling Green, Kentucky for the Camaro Fest going on. I'm going to get at least one good day in there, all day Saturday, and game plan is hopefully I get to meet Lethal Camaro, maybe Guitar Magen Z01. I'd love to see the man, I forgot the name of the something rocket, American Rocket, whatever. I'm sorry. But yeah, man, that's the game plan. Just taking all the great cars there, and hopefully I get to meet some people. So, man, I got about 4 more of driving. So, let's hit the road, baby. In a rest area somewhere north of Birmingham. So far, ride's been all right. Roads through Birmingham. Oh, sorry. Ooh, that's horrible. Horrible. Maybe it'd be better if I had the mag ride in this car, but other than that, I think we're making pretty good time, and I think we'll be there about 5, so it should be just ahead of all the traffic, man. I mean, I'd love to put the drone up. This is a cool looking rest area, but you know, some pretty trees and stuff, but I think by the time I dig it out and everything, this is going to cost me a half hour or more, so I can get back on the road. Bad day for the owner of that Roush. Whoa, hey, slow down. Hey, greetings from Bowling Green, Kentucky. Yes, me in the beautiful Camaro right over here. We have arrived safely, and absolutely no problems or issues with the car. I sat in a lot of bumper-to-bumper traffic. God, almost all the way through Tennessee. It was like crazy. But man, she did great. She did great. No overheating issues. Brakes worked perfect. Those big Brembos, couldn't ask for anything better, I guess. You know, we got here safe. So anyhow, I'm just gonna make this vlog basically on the trip here, so that way tomorrow's video can just focus purely on the car show. That way I'm not gonna make a whole big, really long, drawn out thing. So anyhow, hopefully you enjoy like the time lapses and the clips and the shots of the drive here, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and because you don't want to miss what I'm going to put together tomorrow for the car show and other videos about cars and life and drinking coffee and stuff like that. So jump on board, help me grow this channel. I am a disabled veteran. I got a beautiful wife, the lovely Russian accent, man. I know you guys want to hear that. Anyhow, yeah, so tune in tomorrow for more Camaro stuff from Bowling Green, Kentucky and Camaro Fest, and we will see you on the next video. Don't forget, like, shares, comments, always appreciated. Please share this with your other Camaro and car enthusiast buddies, and if you like life vlogs, stuff like that, you know, jump on board, and like I said, we'll see you in the next video.